Hey sisters, James Jarls here, and today I want to talk to you about freedom. Everyone has the right to be free, right? But what is freedom? Well, our freedom is outlined in the Constitution of the United States and the Declaration of Independence. However, freedom is not necessarily do whatever you want. There are certain factors you must take into account. Most importantly, you can't impede on anyone else's freedom. These people also include your child. And this is what I'd like to be talking to you about today: genetic editing and cloning. Some people still believe that cloning or having clones is a thing in the past. It's a thing in science fiction. But we have clones here today and always part of human history. Twins! But these probably weren't the kind of clones you were talking about. People have been cloning animals since the late 19th century with Hans Dürsch, who separated cells from two-celled sea urchin blastomeres mechanically. He just tied a piece of his son's hair around this embryo of a sea urchin and tightened it, and then the two cells split and they became clones of each other. Each cell grew independently and formed a separate whole sea urchin clone. There had been a lot of progress in science then, but most recently in 2013, when Mia Teplav and colleagues have used somatic cell nuclear transfer to create a human embryo. But other than that, people are now considering cloning as a form of reproduction. Instead of people performing in vitro fertilization and having a sperm donor, which they could do if they were infertile or just didn't want their genetic diseases in that pool, people are considering having themselves as their own child, which is way weird. There are several ethical issues with this. One, people could make so-called designer babies. They could make their kids super tall, muscular, athletic, handsome, but it'll leave out the non-rich, and this could lead to some segregation. We all know that ain't good. Another ethical issue is superhumans. These people could be used in athletics. They can even be used for military use. This basically guarantees that the richer country would win any man-based war, all the Olympics. It's not a good thing. Now, there are some upsides to genetic editing. It could be used to find and cure genetic diseases like sickle cell anemia, which is a disease which causes a curvature in your red blood cells, lead to clotting and pain all around your joints, maybe even a heart attack, maybe a stroke, many different things. The fact is, genetic editing, in the whole, not so bad. But people can use it for very bad things. And that's why we shouldn't really have a lot of genetic editing happening. It should be strictly controlled. Thank you. Please subscribe down below. Leave a like, and leave a sister comment down below. Thanks.